is the day after the mini blizzard we have in Hampton 2010. When did we have the snow, guys? What special day? What special day was it yesterday? That is 25th birthday. Woohoo!
I thought you 37.
Hey, don't say it out loud on YouTube.
How old is Daddy? It's 37.
Hey, it's supposed to be a secret age. Come on now. How many inches we got today?
We got 7 inches, 10 inches, 9 inches.
Well, you guys been measuring it, right?
10, oh, these are 10, 7, and 3.
3. Where's the 3? There? On the
And
table?
2. Actually, and 2, Daddy.
Oh, okay. 2? But how much we got, really? That's a shiver right there. Oh, be careful, Madison. And you guys collected all the icicles you can get.
I know what I should do.